What's up, guys? Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for tuning in. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And on today's tutorial, I am going to be talking about one of my favorite skincare, the hyaluronic acid, the ordinary hyaluronic acid. This is a 2% plus B5 hydration support system. So let me go down and read what this product actually claims. It says a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic. Let's talk about what this product does. Hyaluronic acid is actually being produced by our body, okay, but because of aging or probably some damage or environmental factors, is a low amount on the body, okay, and so it's on a low amount on the body. Because some damage can be to our skin. Hydration it gives to my face, the plumpness, everything I love about this product. Okay, one of the things our skin needs is hydration. It's just hydration. What our skin needs hydration, and when the skin doesn't get hydrated as it's supposed to be, we start having the signs of aging on our skin. We start having a saggy skin, we start having fine lines, we start having, that's why moisturizer is quite so important. Our skin needs to be hydrated mostly all the time, and that's why this product is quite so important. When it pulls this moisture from the air, it helps to keep it up to 1,000 times. Okay, it helps to keep it. So let me open up this package. Let's see what it holds. If you're not using this product, like, you need to start using this product. This product is not sponsored. I bought it with my money, okay. So let's look at how the content is. Okay, this is a serum, and for me I think it's on a concentrated form because I have tried different hyaluronic acid in the past. And this one looks quite so. Use this product towards the end of my skin care routine. My skincare, I use it towards the end. When I'm about to apply a moisturizer, I put this on and I put on a moisturizer on top. So that's all about the skincare. Quite affordable. So it's very affordable. It's not expensive. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe. Okay, subscribe, is free. And yeah, thank you for watching. Remember, bye.